Behind me, I think my tyres look so much better with this cheap little hack. I bought these little pens off Amazon for 10 quid, and I got the idea from the VW Caddy forum on Facebook. So I've ditched the orange jumpsuit today because it's absolutely roasting. Anyway, for 10 quid off Amazon, you get a pack of 6 of these pens, and you simply just colour in the tyres. Up close, it's a little bit messy, but from a distance, it looks amazing. And in the video description, there's a link to buy these pens. So whether you guys agree or not, but I think from a distance, it just makes the van look so much better. Just adds that a little bit to make it stand out. For 10 quid, a little bit of your time, it's definitely worth doing. All you need to do is just get this permanent marker. You pretty much just shake up the pen, shake it up for a good amount, and then you just colour in what you want. So I'm just going to do Goodyear because I think it looks cool. And then you need to do a few coats. So on the other wheels, I've only done one coat so far. So once I've done a couple of other coats, it will look a lot more white and look a lot better. So there you go guys, as you can see that's how you do it. You simply just colour it in. If you've got a steady hand and a bit neater, it will look better. But I'm not going to show you the whole process because you get the point. But yeah, once it's dry, do a couple more coats and then it will look a lot better. So that's how it's looking with another coat of white on top. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And for 10 quid, I'll definitely do this to improve the look of your van. I'll see you in the next one.